He said, everybody you talk to has an invisible tattoo on their heart, and it says, make me feel special.
So true.
And damn, that's so true. When when friends of mine would go for job interviews and so forth, I would always ask them, I would say, tell me, in the hour you were with that person, how much did you talk and how much did they talk? Give me a ratio. If they said, oh man, I talked for an hour, I just told them everything, I just would say, well, you didn't get the job. And I said, because he was not selling you or she was not selling you. I mean, if you're going to get a job, that person on the other end's got to be giving to you. The energy's got to reverse at some point. It has to.